2024 is here, finally. I feel like a lot of people want to start up YouTube right now in 2024. And this video is specifically for anyone who is thinking of starting off, looking for ways or strategies or tips or tricks on how to kickstart a successful YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys and covering the fundamentals, the things you need to do to get started. Now, if you are interested, definitely keep on watching and let's get right into this video. Hey loves, and welcome back to the channel, guys. I feel like this is going to be a serious video because I want you guys to really pay attention to all the tips I'm going to be sharing with you guys in this video. So what I really want to cover up in this video are things you should do before you even start recording and start filming. This for me is the planning phase, and it's the most important phase because I've been on YouTube for over, I want to say 7 years, and it took me a while to really understand a lot of things on this platform and to understand the core value of your YouTube channel, and the product, the service, the message you're delivering is also important. Now, on this channel, I also talk about the tech, the production aspect of it, the post-production aspect of it, equipment, how to film, how to edit. But in this video, I want to talk about the strategy aspect of it. And I feel like this is the most important because this would set you up for success on YouTube right now. So let's get started. So before you even dive into buying equipment, buying gear, looking for resources on how to film and all of that, you really need to start with the why, with the core purpose of your channel. And for me, this is going to be the essence, the driving force, the push. What would differentiate you from the next person, guys? Sometimes it's easy to be influenced into starting up a business, into starting up a venture, or even a YouTube channel. But what would keep you going and set you aside and apart would be your purpose, the reason why you are starting. And this is the first and the most important, because without having this, you would not be able to build upon the values of your channel. So something that you need to ask yourself before you even dive into the tech aspect of it is why. And you should be able to answer, I'm starting off because I want to grow my online brand, because I want to build a thriving community, because I want to make a difference in the Black space, because I want to try out tech and be a better, tech person, or be better with technology, or improve myself in the process, right? And understanding that would help you grow and will help you in positioning yourself in a way that you can stand and have your own unique voice. You need to ask yourself, what is the reason behind the existence of this YouTube channel? Why am I doing this? What is the core reason? And guys, no one can answer this, not even the tutorials you watch, not even the YouTube how-to videos you watch. You're the only one that can answer this question. And if you're able to provide yourself with this answer, seeking knowledge from other people, other content on filming, producing, editing would make sense, would make everything easy, because that would not influence how you film, how you edit, how you create. Having that in the back of your mind makes a whole lot of difference. So ask yourself, why are you even starting off a YouTube channel? And if you figure that out genuinely, then now we can proceed to the next one. So next up, the how. Now, this is a fun part. This is my part, because this is where we get practical. We figure out how to start up a YouTube channel, how to set up an account, create your channel banner, create your thumbnails, create your videos, your channel trailer. Guys, I have tons of resources on how to get started, and I'll leave the playlist over here so you guys can watch these videos. I talk all about starting off a YouTube channel, setting up your channel, creating a thumbnail, SEO optimization, things that you would do to help you create your own unique value proposition. Because now this is the strategy aspect of it, because now we know why we are diving deep into YouTube, why we want to start up. Now we need to figure out how we're going to do that, what steps we need to take, what strategies we need to implement in order to grow. Now, if you guys want a more detailed video on how to set up a YouTube channel, because with starting up a YouTube, you are essentially starting up a business. And with business, there are like different arms to it. There's the marketing aspect of it, there's the production, operation, there's the accounting, finance, there's the managerial, and this will help you in creating a strategy on how you can implement all of that. Now we need to figure out what content to create. You need to figure out what type of content are you going to be creating, and also what audience are you going to be satisfying, but also what unique value are you delivering to that community, to that audience. There are different niche when it comes to content and information in general. Figure out what content you're going to be creating and then focus on creating the best that you can. Again, if you need help with creating content, I will leave this video right here so you guys can watch. And lastly, when to create and post, and that would be now. As soon as you have figured out the why, the how, and the what, you need to start implementing it. You need to find out the perfect time to upload, who your audience are, where are they based, are they in the US, Nigeria, figure out their time zone, and then strategize around everything. Strategize around when to upload, how often to upload, what's the consistency like, is it going to be weekly, daily, monthly? But to be honest with you, if you can do twice a week, amazing. Alrighty, so we have come to an end of this video, and I hope that you guys learned something from this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Again, like I said, if you are a beginner, if you want to learn how to film, how to create content, how to plan out your content, how to script out your content, how to film, lighting, I've got you covered because I have tons of resources on that. I'll leave the link right here, and I'll leave a playlist right here as well, so you guys can get started with that. If you are new here, hi, welcome. Make sure you do not leave without subscribing. Subscribe to our channel so that way you can get updated with content creation, tips, tricks, tutorials, and hacks. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Be sure to subscribe, and do not forget to stay fabulous and stay blessed. Bye, guys.